I'm Annabelle from VV Rouleaux, and my favourite ribbons are wire-edged ribbons. As you can see, the colours are superb. We have at least 40 different colours in wire-edged ribbon. I mean, some of them are just so bright, vibrant. Look how cool those look together. Amazing. Today we're going to show you how to make a ribbon rose out of a wire-edged ribbon. So here we have one that's about 68 millimetres wide, and we're going to cut a piece about 1 metre 30. About 1 metre 30. And with the wire-edged ribbon, you'll see that on this side and that side, there's a small wire in the edge. So I'm going to push the wire out of that side, and I'm going to wind that piece of wire right round the end, squished end of the ribbon. I'm going to go to the other end of the ribbon on the same side, and that's where we're meeting up with the wire at this end. And I'm going to pull the wire out like this, and holding the wire, literally we're going to pull the ribbon down the wire till you get this lovely spiral of ribbon. And then the next thing we're going to do is get this piece of wire, and we're going to attach that around the end of this little bit of ribbon here, squidged in my fingers, and we're going to cut off the wire. As you can see, we've ruched it all the way down, starting at this side of the ribbon where the gathered piece is. We're going to fold in the ribbon, and we're going to roll it round and round, keeping that little gathered edge in the same place. And this is going to be the bud of the rose. And literally we do 5 or 6 turns, keeping all the ruched bit together there, and then simply throw your ribbon over the top of the piece you're holding, and there you have your ribbon rose. Very simple. To finish it off, you just need to stitch and gather all at the back, simply tacking stitch, and that's your rose made. How gorgeous is that? With the wire-edged ribbons, 40 different colours, all on the VV Rouleaux website, and wonderful for putting onto hats, on bridesmaids' dresses, wearing or putting them on clothing. Thank you for watching. The simplest rose ever.